Very good morning, students. This is your class for business study, and as you have studied in the previous class about various agencies that are involved in promotion of SSI, now we are going to continue the same topic, and now we are going to discuss about another agency, that is NABARD, National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. Like you all know, this bank is established on 12th July 1982. This bank plays an important role in agriculture and rural development of the country. Like they promote the people who are doing agriculture by the way of giving them financial help and other rural credits. The chief functions are: it refinance the agriculture credit, which means they will give you finance to run agricultural activity. It will inspect regional rural bank. Regional rural bank, commonly known as RRB, runs under NABARD. So NABARD check the regional rural banks. This bank provide concessional loans to the institutes. Concessional loans means loans on interest rate lower than the normal interest rate. This will be provided to agricultural societies or SSI. This works as an agent of Government of India. Yes, this bank is an agent of Government of India to develop the rural area as well as the agricultural activities. The second bank in this line is Commercial Bank. The government has ordered the commercial bank to advance loan to industries in these area on priority basis, which means each and every commercial bank will prioritize us to give loan to whom? To small scale industrial owner. Why? To develop them. Many branches of commercial bank have been operated in these areas. These areas means rural areas. Okay. This has provided great relief to these areas. Why? Because now they are available with more opportunity to get loan and to run their business successfully. The third is the Land Development Bank. These banks give long-term loan for some special purpose on the security of immovable property. Like you have to give security of something that is immovable, like your building. You cannot give security of something that is movable like car or your machinery, because these are movable. So you have to give either land or building like these things as security, because these are immovable in nature. And this bank, Land Development Bank, give loan for some special purpose for a maximum time of 20 years. Now Land Development Bank runs on these two stages. They have the State Cooperative Agriculture and Rural Development Bank. This is SCARDB. This bank runs on state level, and this is an agricultural cooperative society, and this also helps us to develop the rural areas. The next is the Primary Cooperative Agricultural and Rural Development Bank, that is PCARDB. This works at Tehsil or at district level to undertake the work that are implemented on state level. This bank will undertake various decisions, will implement policies, and this is the bank which is implementing the policy formulated by this bank in the field. Alright. The next is Regional Rural Bank. The main function of Regional Rural Bank is to provide finance and other kind of help to whom? To farmers, laborer, artists and small entrepreneur, because these banks are aimed at developing the rural areas. Okay. And in rural area these people are working, so these are promoted by this bank. In January 1999, there were 196 regional rural bank in operation. This is the starting time, we can say the beginning life of this bank. At that time 196 regional rural bank were there, and now we are having more than 14,420 branches in more than 436 districts. Okay, so this is a very large chain of banks which is serving the rural areas for their development. Next is Primary Agriculture Cooperative Credit Society. You all know, you have studied this in cooperative credit societies. These are agriculture society, people are willingly joining this. Why they are joining this? They will just contribute their money in this society, and whosoever need money, that person will be given short and medium term loan by the cooperative credit society. Next is Small Industrial Development Bank of India, commonly known as SIDBI. This bank aims at providing sufficient financial help to small industries, which means this is primarily heading toward the development of small industries. Alright. It also provides non-financial help to them. Which type of non-financial help? Like help in marketing, help in other decision-making procedures, etc. Some functions of SIDBI is to provide loan on easy terms. To whom? To small industries. To help in developing the market, they will help us in marketing. They will make available the facility of factoring. Now what is factoring? Factoring means giving advance to the client for the goods sold on credit and collecting money from the debtor. Suppose there was a person A who have purchased goods from B on credit, which means B is the seller and A is the buyer. Alright. Now the seller is not having money because A have purchased the goods on credit. Now what will SIDBI do? Now this bank will undertake the debtors. This bank will undertake that I will collect money from A and money will be collected from A after 2 days, 3 days or whenever the debtor is ready to pay. But the seller will be paid immediate money on the basis of bills available. Whatever bills you show to SIDBI will grant you cash on that. The SIDBI will provide you money for your sales on credit, and after what? After a particular expiry of a period whichever A have demanded, then SIDBI will collect money from A also. Okay. So this is factoring service. So these were some of the agencies that are helping the SSI, that is small scale industry, in the development of themselves in the country, or we can say the development of GDP. Okay. I hope you understood this. Have a very good day, students.